every single night. Anything to see your face, yeah. Putting on a show, anything you like. Everything I do is say yes. Clothes around the floor, makes me want it more. Sweatshirts that you'll never see again. I wore them like a dress and never second guess. And turns out all my friends weren't paying. Put my brave face on, I don't care anymore. You make me sick, but I still wonder who the fuck would love you like I did. Know your heart and want it, need you like an addict. Stay when you get manic. And who the fuck would love you like I could? Those these days are smarter, now you're working harder. It was easy to love me, but who the fuck would? And who the fuck would love you like? Who the fuck would love you like? Baby, you're my kryptonite. Love me not or love me right. I used to watch you punch through the wall. One time